Tellaro is a picturesque coastal village located in the Liguria region of Italy, nestled along the Ligurian Riviera. Known for its stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and its charming narrow streets, Tellaro is part of the municipality of Hrisi in the province of La Spezia. The village is often described as one of the most beautiful in Italy, with its ancient houses perched on rocky cliffs, offering visitors an idyllic and peaceful atmosphere that attracts both tourists and locals alike. The village of Tellaro has a rich historical background, with roots that trace back to Roman times. It was originally a small fishing settlement, and over the centuries, it has preserved much of its historic charm. The narrow streets, ancient stone buildings, and small squares reflect the village's medieval origins. One of the most prominent landmarks in Tellaro is the Church of San Giorgio, which dates back to the 12th century. This beautiful church, perched on a cliff overlooking the sea, is a symbol of the village's deep religious and cultural heritage. One of the unique features of Tellaro is its dramatic location on the cliffs, which offers breathtaking views of the Ligurian coast. The village is built on steep slopes, with colorful houses lining the waterfront, creating a postcard-perfect scene. The Mediterranean vegetation, including fragrant olive trees and vibrant bougainvillea, adds to the village's picturesque beauty. The sound of the waves crashing against the rocks below enhances the peaceful atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and contemplation. Tellaro is known for its vibrant community and cultural traditions, which are deeply tied to its fishing heritage. Fishing continues to play an important role in the local economy, and visitors can often see boats docked in the harbor, ready for the next day's catch. The village hosts several festivals throughout the year, including the Feast of San Giorgio, which is held every year in honor of the village's patron saint. During this event, the streets are filled with music, dancing, and traditional food, providing a glimpse into the local culture and customs. The village's architecture is another draw for visitors. Tellaro's colorful houses, often with shutters painted in pastel shades, are typical of Ligurian coastal towns. The buildings are tightly packed together, creating a labyrinth of narrow streets and alleys that wind their way down to the sea. The homes are often decorated with plants, flowers, and hanging laundry, adding to the authentic charm of the village. The historic center has remained largely unchanged over the years, preserving its old-world charm and unique character. Tellaro is an ideal destination for nature lovers and those seeking outdoor adventure. The surrounding area is part of the Parco Naturale Regionale di Montemarcello Magra, a protected natural park that offers numerous hiking and walking trails. The trails wind through forests, along coastal cliffs, and past stunning viewpoints, offering panoramic views of the sea and surrounding mountains. Whether exploring the rugged coastline or walking through the nearby hills, nature enthusiasts will find plenty of opportunities to experience the beauty of the region. In addition to its natural beauty, Tellaro is also a great destination for water-based activities. The crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and kayaking. The village is located near several beaches, including Fiascarino Beach and Baia Blu, both of which are known for their pristine waters and relaxing atmosphere. These beaches offer a perfect place to enjoy the sun, swim in the sea, or simply relax and take in the stunning views of the coastline. Tellaro is also famous for its gastronomy, with a culinary tradition that celebrates the flavors of the Ligurian coast. Fresh seafood is a staple of the local cuisine, with dishes such as trofie al pesto, a type of pasta served with basil pesto, and frittata di pesce, fried fish, being popular among locals and visitors alike. The village is home to several traditional trattorias and restaurants, where guests can enjoy delicious meals made with locally sourced ingredients, including fresh fish, olives, and vegetables grown in the surrounding hills. The local artisan crafts of Tellaro also reflect the region's cultural heritage. Visitors can find handmade goods such as pottery, jewelry, and textiles in the village's small shops. These artisanal products, often made by local craftsmen, are a great way to take a piece of Tellaro home as a souvenir. The craftsmanship of the local artisans has been passed down through generations, and their work continues to be an important part of the village's economy and cultural identity. Tellaro's historical significance is also evident in its many well-preserved landmarks. The fortress of Tellaro, which was built in the 16th century, stands as a reminder of the village's strategic importance during the time of the Republic of Genoa. The fortress offers a glimpse into the military history of the region and serves as a historical landmark. The views from the fortress, looking out over the village and the sea, are breathtaking, making it a popular spot for both history enthusiasts and photographers. The village is connected to nearby towns and attractions, making it a great base for exploring the region. The nearby town of Hrisi, with its beautiful beaches and promenade, is just a short drive away, and the town of La Spezia offers easy access to the famous Cinque Terre National Park. Visitors can take day trips to explore the picturesque towns of the Cinque Terre, including Monterosso, Vernazza, Cornelia, Monarola, and Riomaggiore, which are known for their colorful buildings, steep cliffs, and stunning views of the sea. Tellaro is also a peaceful retreat for those seeking to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. The village's tranquil atmosphere, combined with its stunning natural surroundings, makes it an ideal place for relaxation. Whether strolling through the narrow streets, enjoying a leisurely meal in a local restaurant, or simply sitting by the sea and taking in the views, visitors can unwind and recharge in this peaceful coastal village. The climate of Tellaro adds to its appeal as a year-round destination. With mild winters and warm summers, the village enjoys a Mediterranean climate that makes it a pleasant place to visit in every season. The proximity to the sea helps moderate temperatures, ensuring that visitors can enjoy the outdoors throughout the year. The climate also contributes to the lush vegetation of the area, with flowers, herbs, and trees blooming year-round, further enhancing the natural beauty of the village. Tellaro's artistic and literary connections also make it an interesting destination for creative types. The village has long been a haven for artists, writers, and photographers who are drawn to its beauty and charm. The stunning landscapes, dramatic cliffs, and vibrant colors of the village have inspired many works of art over the years. Visitors may encounter local artists displaying their works in the village or participating in workshops that allow them to connect with the creative community of Tellaro. In conclusion, Tellaro is a small but enchanting village that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, historical charm, and rich cultural traditions. With its stunning coastal views, historic buildings, and vibrant community, it provides a unique and memorable experience for visitors. Whether exploring its narrow streets, enjoying the local cuisine, or simply relaxing by the sea, Tellaro is a destination that offers something for everyone. The village's beauty, tranquility, and welcoming atmosphere make it a must-visit location for anyone traveling to the Ligurian Riviera.